Hey there, feeling stressed out? Anxiety hitting you like a storm? Well, don't worry. In today's video, I'll be walking you through 5 incredibly powerful breathing techniques that will help you calm your mind, relax your body, and beat stress like a pro. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to reset and recharge. Anytime, anywhere. 1. Box breathing. Box breathing, also known as square breathing, is a simple yet highly effective breathing technique. It's widely used by professionals in high-stress environments, including athletes and military personnel, to regulate the nervous system and regain focus. This technique follows a structured rhythm of inhaling, holding, exhaling, and pausing, all done to the count of 4. Steps. Begin by sitting in a comfortable position with your back straight. Close your eyes if it feels comfortable, and start by breathing out slowly, releasing all the air from your lungs. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4. Focus on filling your lungs fully as you count. Hold your breath for 4 counts. During this time, try to keep your mind calm and centered. Slowly exhale through your mouth for a count of 4. Let the air leave your lungs completely and feel the stress leaving your body. Pause at the end of your exhale for another 4 counts, allowing your body to rest before starting the next cycle. Repeat this cycle for 5 to 10 minutes. Box breathing works by engaging the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation. It also helps increase oxygen delivery to the brain, improving clarity and reducing feelings of panic or overwhelm. 2. Alternate nostril breathing. Alternate nostril breathing is a traditional yogic technique used to balance the mind and body. It's particularly effective for calming anxiety, enhancing focus, and creating a sense of harmony within. This method involves alternating the flow of breath between your nostrils, which helps balance the hemispheres of the brain and promotes relaxation. Steps. Sit in a cross-legged position with your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Rest your left hand on your knee and bring your right hand to your nose. Using your right thumb, gently close your right nostril. Inhale deeply through your left nostril, allowing the breath to flow smoothly. Close your left nostril with your ring finger. Release your thumb from your right nostril and exhale through the right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril, switch again by closing it with your thumb, and exhale through the left nostril. Continue this pattern for 5 to 10 minutes. Focus on the rhythm of your breath and the cooling sensation as it enters and exits your nostrils. Alternate nostril breathing is not only calming but also energizing, making it ideal for moments when you need to reset your mind and regain balance. 3. 4 to 7 to 8 breathing technique. The 4 to 7 to 8 breathing technique, developed by Dr. Andrew Weil, is a powerful relaxation method. It's based on ancient yogic practices and is designed to calm the mind and body by regulating the breath. This technique is especially effective for reducing anxiety, helping with sleep, and managing emotional distress. Steps. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Make sure your spine is straight to allow for optimal airflow. Begin by exhaling completely through your mouth, creating a soft, whooshing sound as you release all the air from your lungs. Close your mouth and inhale quietly through your nose for a count of 4. Focus on filling your lungs deeply. Hold your breath for a count of 7, allowing the oxygen to circulate throughout your body. Exhale fully through your mouth, making the whooshing sound again for a count of 8. Repeat this cycle for 4 to 6 rounds. The extended exhalation in this technique slows the heart rate and activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which induces a deep state of relaxation. Practicing this regularly can significantly improve your ability to manage stress. 4. Diaphragmatic breathing. Diaphragmatic breathing, or belly breathing, is a foundational technique that focuses on engaging the diaphragm for deeper, more efficient breathing. This method is particularly effective for reducing tension, improving oxygen delivery, and calming the nervous system. Steps. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Inhale deeply through your nose, ensuring that your belly rises as you fill your lungs. Your chest should remain relatively still. Exhale slowly through your mouth, allowing your belly to fall as the air leaves your lungs. Continue this pattern, focusing on the movement of your belly and the sensation of the breath. Practice for 5 to 15 minutes daily. Diaphragmatic breathing improves respiratory efficiency and helps reduce cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress. Over time, this technique can enhance your overall sense of well-being and resilience to stress. 5. Lion's Breath. Lion's Breath is a dynamic breathing technique that combines breath work with facial expressions to release tension and boost energy. This method is particularly useful for letting go of stress and frustration, as it encourages a sense of release and playfulness. Steps. Sit comfortably on your knees or cross-legged with your hands resting on your thighs. Keep your spine straight. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Open your mouth wide and stick your tongue out as far as possible. Exhale forcefully through your mouth while making a loud hey sound. Imagine expelling all your stress and negative energy with the sound. Repeat this process for 5 to 7 rounds. Lion's Breath is invigorating and helps clear mental clutter while promoting a sense of vitality. It's an excellent way to release pent-up energy and feel more connected to your breath and body. Benefits of breathing techniques. These breathing techniques offer a range of physical, mental, and emotional benefits. Reduces stress and anxiety. Controlled breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which counters the stress response. Improves focus. Many techniques encourage mindfulness and concentration, helping you stay present and clear-headed. Enhances emotional regulation. Breathing deeply and intentionally calms the emotional centers of the brain, allowing for better control over reactions. Boosts physical health. Deep breathing improves oxygenation, reduces blood pressure, and supports heart health. Promotes better sleep. Techniques like 4-7-8 breathing can help you relax and prepare for restful sleep. How to integrate breathing techniques into daily life. Morning ritual, start your day with alternate nostril breathing to energize your mind and body. Midday, reset. Use box breathing during work breaks to stay calm and focused. Evening relaxation, practice 4 to 7 to 8. Breathing to unwind before bed. Stressful situations. Diaphragmatic breathing can help you stay grounded during challenging moments. Playful energy boost. Lion's Breath is perfect for lifting your spirits and releasing tension anytime. Final thoughts. Breathing is a powerful, yet often overlooked tool for managing stress and enhancing overall well-being. By incorporating these techniques into your daily routine, you can take control of your mental and physical state, creating a foundation for a calmer, more balanced life. Start with one technique and gradually explore the others to discover what works best for you. Remember, your breath is always with you, ready to help you find peace in the midst of life's challenges.